AlayaCare has helped myself and the team members have better access to documentation and real-time information.
I love AlayaCare. I am a huge supporter, have been from day one. The first time I saw the system, I was like, wow, this is going to change how I do things.
It's a one-shot deal where we can look at reports, geriatric reports, inter-RI reports, see all the different communications between the different disciplines that are involved in this client's care.
The adoption of AlayaCare and the inter-RI HC provides a lot of standard client information.
The inter-RI assessment replaced our SAST, which was homegrown assessment and paper-based. In the past, we would have scheduled service and given clients service based on their anticipated needs or what they thought they might need. Now we have a standardized assessment that guides our practice in that regard.
There is a much better integration of client documentation. So we're very aware of what the other services are doing or providing without needing to sort of chase that information down. It's all right there.
The big takeaways of AlayaCare is that everything that we need is on there or can be uploaded into a client's profile. Everything on one sheet within the service task of what our home support workers might need to be able to properly assist with these meds and not have too many questions.
The schedule is in real time, so that's super helpful. The whole team is able to understand, if a client's in hospital, if they're at facility respite.
I have it all in my laptop. I have it all on my phone. I have easy access to anything that I might need. It's been a game changer for me as a physiotherapist on the front line.
They're documenting as they go. Any of their assessments are on the app, and they would clock in and do all their charting, clock out. I do feel like it's generated more referrals, particularly for the OT, PT. We now have a larger team, pharmacy, dietitian.
We were way behind in the times before AlayaCare, and now I feel like we're way ahead of the times with AlayaCare.